order to the class.
Okay. Stay.
I want to see you Golden Jubilee.
Yes.
Man,
Kailan ba yun?
Golden Jubilee, I want to see you. You are forbidden to die before the time.
mandando talaga si Joey.
After that, everybody can die.
That's 2011.
2011.
You can die for all.
Sana
We will be there.
sana ma-terrorize mo nga mo sana si Kamatayan. Tinerrorize mo na no si Kamatayan.
Bahala sa buhay nyo. O mag-speech ka na muna bago ka mag-speech.
Isa lang.
Mag-speech ka muna.
Speech.
I hate to
Binawalan nga
every
niya,
one of you.
binawalan nga niya si Kamatayan.
I hate
going.
that, you know, right now, I hate that feeling of whom will I see here next year.
Ako siya.
Even if you don't invite me, I'll be present.
Boys, let's try to see each other as often as we can. And
December.
Be happy.
Next week.
Anytime.
Giveaway,
You want a
giveaway.
Christmas party? Let's have a Christmas party. Kung gusto niyo Christmas party, taya natin si Benching.
Approve.
So please relate to him. We voted that on
Unanimous.
Date it, yun yung calendar
Gusto niya,
niya.
siya tayo.
You want anything to be said to
Tagalogin mo, pwede mag-Tagalog. Check, ha?
you want anything be relate to Ben? Boy is the man.
If I may, yung classics
Sa kanya.
Hindi na. Ba't nga na yan eh?
January, normally. Pero lately, walang forbidden pupunta. Ngayon, gusto na nila, sabi, nakausap ko si Lasso
Just make it January.
and
Sama-sama na.
Topax.
Sama-sama na.
Oh, pwede magdala ng
Daisy.
hooligan, yung
Puro ka Daisy, nagiging nagiging
pwede magdala ng girlfriends. Para sumaya kasi pag-asawa,
Uy, mas na yung mga
marriage is hard.
pwede ka rin. Pwede ka rin, dito to special. Kaya, yun ang reality.
Jack, tatanungin ko lang, are you bragging or are you dreaming?
Kaya, sinasabi nga yung reality kasi marami talaga sa akin. Let's face it. Hindi na committed doon sa original. We have new lives. And we enjoy, I hope, our present lives now with you guys.
Hindi, puro ka Daisy eh. Gusto lang yung Daisy talaga, nagiging damo eh. Nawawala yung Daisy.
Pressure mo.
Nawala yung Daisy.
Ang layo na payagan ng tatay.
Yawa. Papaalam mo pa. Nahiya ka dahil matanda ka pa sa tatay.
Pagpaalam ko rin sa tatay niya, baka, uy, di ba napapaalam
Papalisig ka ba? Papalisig ka.
Kaya,
Another request.
sana isama na natin. Di ba?
So I gave you a direct order not to die before the Golden Jubilee.
Yes sir, yes sir.
This one is a request, even if I have to beg you. December
Hindi order, hindi order, ha?
December 7, Friday, at 5:30, Ding and I will be accompanying the LaSalle class of mine. Never mind. Those are bloopers as far as basta duman sa kamay ni class at bloopers yan.
Green na bloopers.
Bloopers na green na bloopers yun.
Greeners.
Golden Jubilee ng
So, December 8 yun, December 7 na rin.
December 7. Where is it?
Dito sa De La Salle. I'm not ordering you, I'm requesting. And those who do not grant the request, I'll remember.
Daisy. Daisy ni Casas.
No, because give me the joy.
Marami kang
Give me
giveaway.
the joy to show the last life.
Giveaway.
It's my pride
May Daisy si Casas.
as a class advisor of class 61 to introduce to my class 46 years ago. Yun lang, one shiny, one brief.
What if we wear our Ateneo
Yes,
t-shirt?
you can.
Baka bugbugin tayo doon.
Because we will meet here and we will.
Baka hindi na tayo makalabas doon.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko eh.
Remember that Casas terrorizes everyone.
December 7.
Friday, no, Lasal.
That's Friday, December 7.
Salipa.
mag-usap tayo, baka mag-meet tayo dito ng lunchtime. Tropa tayo ngayon. We invade. Gagawa ko ng parang newspaper eh. Ateneo invades Lasal.
Advisory niya.
5:30.
But the poor
Mag-attend si Pat, dami-dami ang mag-giveaway, marami-rami. Sa mga Daisy ni Casas. Daisy ba yung mga Daisy?
Sobrang Daisy ba? Sobrang. Nakaiba, hindi pa Daisy.
Yung magpa-PowerPoint, PowerPoint lang.
Hindi pare.
I'll tell you this,
Magpa-PowerPoint, PowerPoint doon.
I'll share with you this one, and they applauded. Because it is very rare for a teacher to say
Oh,
that after 10, 20, 30, 40 years, he still has his voice. So today, I'm proud to let you know that I have one boy from the Ateneo class 61. And I'm happy to introduce to you attorney Ildefonso Bagasak. Pag tayo nito, sir, bakit mas mukhang matanda?
Nagtahi ka na yan. Si Danny, nagtahi na eh. Nakakuha namin eh.
Puta niyari ka.
Bibigyan ka namin ng ano.
Yun lang hiling ko sa inyo, hiling ko sa inyo.
Pero mo,
Let's
nagsakripisyo.
have one lasura sa class.
Sakripisyo po ito, nagbubus.
Hindi. Joey, let's not laugh.
Papunta rito.
Titirahin ko sa order that to be alive till 11. Not the last round, we will do it away.
Okay.
Wala, kinukulit ko na si Joey, ha?
Ikaw na una-una naman, hindi ka pwede porque sabi doon kay ganito.
Siyempre, alam mo naman tayo, maraming trabaho. Maraming asawa.
Maraming tinatrabaho.
Pagbigyan mo naman.
Maraming tinatrabaho.
Maraming trabaho.
No, let's agree. Are we gonna wear a blue shirt on?
Yes!
Ang jacket, ang jacket.
Jacket ninyo?
Ito mainit eh,
With the
magsi-jacket.
Ateneo ka?
Hindi, I will blue shirt.
So on that afternoon, I will be directing the dancing blue.
I have a motion.
Anything in blue,